Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop IT Prep. So welcome you all. Hope like those who are in Bengal, hope you had a great puja. So I want to convey Shubho Vijaya to everyone, and for other parts it's Shubh Dasera. So today I will discuss about one more important topic for SBI SO Assistant Manager exam. So today I'll be discussing about some sample questions and answer for cloud technology, AI, and some advanced topics. So please stay tuned to my channel. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, watch the videos, and also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future opportunities. Okay, so let's start today's topic. Okay, so this first question. In artificial intelligence, a simple reflex agent selects actions on the basis of first option is current percept, completely ignoring rest of the percept history. Then rest of the percept history, completely ignoring current percept. Then both current percept and complete percept history, and then both current percept and just previous percept. So I'll take a pause for a second, just try to answer. Then when I will be giving solution, just see whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, let's go to the answer. So the answer will be current percept, completely ignoring rest of the percept history. Okay, so what is the logic? Like agent represents the most important new paradigm for software development. An autonomous agent is a system situated within and part of environment that senses the environment and acts on it. So that's why like agent is situated in an environment and makes its own decisions. It perceives the environment through sensors and acts on the environment through actuators. So simple reflex agent selects action based on the agent's current perception of the world and not based on the past perceptions. So that's why the option will be based on the current percept, not on the percept history. Okay. Okay. Coming to next question. So which is the lowest layer in the IoT architecture? Smart device, gateway, cloud, service management. Okay, it's you can think of anything. Let's say you like open GPS and your location will be shared. Okay, so but in the lowest level, smart devices will be there. Based on the data will flow to the higher level. So answer will be smart devices. Okay, agent can improve its performance by learning, responding, observing, and perceiving. Okay, the answer will be perceiving. Like what will it will be perceiving? Its performance will be improved based on the current percept. Okay. Okay. Name the problem which affects digital cash and addressed by blockchain technology. So options are transaction failure, system failure, double spending, and all of the above. So it's a question from blockchain. So the answer will be double spending. So what is double spending? Like double spending is a risk on digital currency that can be spent twice. So that's why it will be double spending. Next, which of the following service provider provides the least amount of built-in security? Platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and all of the above. Okay. So the answer will be infrastructure as a service. The question can come if most amount of security, then it will be software as a service. So for infrastructure as a service, it will be least, and for software as a service, it will be most. Okay. Okay. So which of the following is or are OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities? Broken authentication, server memory leak, insecure deserialization. So options are on different combinations like A, B, AC, BC, or all ABC? Okay, so here the answer will be broken authentication and insecure deserialization. So for answering this, you should remember top 10 OWS vulnerabilities. So what are those? First is injection or SQL injection, then broken authentication, then sensitive data exposure, then XML external entities, then broken access control, then security misconfigurations, then cross-site scripting, then insecure deserialization, then using components with known vulnerabilities, then insufficient logging and monitoring. You can pause the video here and can write down also these 10 vulnerabilities, or you can Google it, you will find out. Okay, going next. Consider the following statements. Microsoft Azure is a cloud-based operating system. Google App Engine is an integrated set of online services for consumers to communicate and share with others. Amazon CloudFront is a web service content delivery. So which of the statements are correct? Okay, so first one, Microsoft Azure is a cloud-based operating system. It's true. Second, Google App Engine is an integrated set of online services for consumers to communicate and share with others. It's not true because Google App Engine is a platform as a service. Then Amazon CloudFront is a web service content delivery. It's also true. It is used for like sharing this content delivery purpose. So answer will be A and C. Okay. Elites wants to share a document with BOB. She signs the document digitally. To generate a digital signature, which of the following is used? Only public key, only private key, public key infrastructure, and session key. It's a very good question. Okay, so in digital signature, basically we have two things, a combination of public key and a private key. So here the thing will be public key infrastructure or PKI. What is PKI? It is a set of requirements that allow the creation of digital signature. Through PKI, each digital signature transaction includes a pair of keys, a private key and public key, as I already said. Okay. So, what type of computing technology refers to services and applications that typically run on a distributed network through virtualized resources? Distributed computing, cloud computing, soft computing, and parallel computing. Okay, don't misjudge by the term like distributed network through virtualized resources. You should emphasize on this virtualized resources. The answer will be cloud computing. The main thing of cloud computing is virtualization. Okay, next question. Which of the following cloud concepts is related to sharing and pooling the resources? Polymorphism, virtualization, abstraction, none of the mentioned. Okay, so like previously, I have already said that for cloud computing, the main point is virtualization. The other thing, polymorphism, abstraction, these are like object-oriented concept, not on cloud. So the answer will be virtualization. The same question can come in a different language, but you should remember this fundamental that for cloud computing, the for sharing and pooling the resources, this virtualization is done. Okay, which of the following is a cloud platform by Amazon? Azure, AWS, Cloudera, all of the mentioned. Okay, so for Amazon, this cloud platform is AWS. Azure is for Microsoft. Okay, so for this Amazon, it will be AWS. Okay, then what is this QPS stands for? Query period sites, quantum per seconds, quality per service, query per second. Okay, don't think it will be multiple answer because uh, the here it is showing as a checkbox, but it's not. So the UI is showing so, but the answer will be like only one answer. The answer will be query per second. Okay. The term hybrid cloud refers to private cloud, public cloud, combination of public and private cloud, none of the above. Okay, the answer will be combination of both public and private. So that's why it is made called hybrid. Okay. What does the term elasticity in cloud computing refer to? Ability to scale down, parallel, ability to scale up. Both A and C are correct. Okay, so elasticity means scalability. It can scale up or scale down. So the answer will be both A and C. Okay. What is the most important concern of cloud computing? Cost, space, security, platform. So we all know in cloud computing, everything is important, but what should be the most important thing that we should know? Okay, the most important thing is security. Many banking applications will be deployed in cloud. So security should be the first concern. It should be well secured. Okay, so that's why the security is the most important concern. What does this IaaS stands for? Information as a service, infrastructure as a service, infrastructure as a software, none. It's a very basic question and you should expect this type of questions from cloud. So the answer will be infrastructure as a service. The same way I have mentioned means two more important thing. PaaS means platform as a service and SaaS means software as a service. Choose the correct IaaS provider among the following: EC2, EC1, EC10, hybrid. So answer will be EC2, Elastic Cloud Compute. It's a IaaS provider on AWS. Identify among the following which are the examples of PaaS cloud computing: Heroku, Google App Engine, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, all of the above. Okay, the answer will be all of the above because all these things belongs to PaaS cloud computing. Identify among the following which are the examples of SaaS cloud computing: Dropbox, Salesforce, Google Workshop, all of the above. Okay, the answer will be all of the above because all of these are like software as a service. So you should expect this type of questions. Like example, you should know few examples of SaaS, few examples of PaaS, few examples of IaaS. So like if any question comes, you should answer able to answer that. Identify among the following which provides a runtime environment: IaaS, SaaS, PaaS, SaaS. So like in infrastructure it provides the overall infrastructure, in SaaS it provides the entire software as a service, in PaaS it provides the platform, and when in anything is given a platform then there should be a runtime environment. So the answer will be PaaS. So these are some of the questions from cloud, blockchain, security, this thing. So you should expect this type of basic questions from cloud. You should know some examples, basic examples of every type. So like I hope you get one idea like what type of questions can be asked from cloud technologies. Okay, so that's all. Okay, thank you.